In Jamaica, where the sun doth shine bright, there's a breed of men, with brains so tight. They work with skill and grace, with style so fine. Their intelligence, a true work of art divine. Their minds are sharp, their hearts are pure. They toil and labor, with a passion so sure. They're masters of their craft, a true delight. Their smartness, a beacon in the night. With a twinkle in their eye and a spring in their step. They tackle tasks with a grin and a hop. Their brains are wired for innovation and creativity. Their work, a true reflection of their glee. They're problem solvers, with a can-do attitude. Their determination, a force so strong and true. They're the backbone of the island, a shining light. Their smartness, a treasure to behold, a true delight. So let us celebrate these Jamaican men. With their